great race event has come to Sodor. The engines are so excited as there are fantastic racetracks all over the island of Sodor. All the engines are invited, so come and boost, jump, spin and flip in crazy races to the finish line in Yong. Choose a challenger. Yong versus Diesel. Ladies and gentlemen, prepare your engines. Welcome to the daring docks. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Go! Perfect start. Perfect. Superb. You've taken the lead. Superb! Smashing! Winner! A true champion! Congratulations! You earn 2 golden cogs. Complete your cogwheel to upgrade your engine. A new challenger appears. Yong versus Rosie. Ladies and gentlemen, prepare your engines. Welcome to the frantic fortress. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Go! Superb! Brilliant! Superb! Final lap! Smashing! Superb! Smashing! Winner! A true champion! Congratulations! You earn 2 golden cogs. Complete your cogwheel to upgrade your engine. A new challenger appears. Yong versus James. Ladies and gentlemen, prepare your engines. Welcome to the Roaring Falls. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Go! Congratulations! You earned 2 golden cogs. That's it! A complete cogwheel. Time to upgrade your engine. Special Ability Boost! With this upgrade, your special ability boost will last longer. A new challenger appears. Yong versus Bell. Ladies and gentlemen, prepare your engines. Welcome to the funnel tunnel. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Go! Perfect. 2 laps to go. Superb! You're in the lead! Final lap! You've taken the lead! The other racer has taken the lead! I'm sure you'll do better next time. You could also go back and choose another engine. Ready? Tap, tap, tap on the green button to start up your engine. Perfect start. Brilliant! The other racer has taken the lead. 2 laps to go. Smashing. Final lap. Quick, tap the special boost button. The other racer has taken the lead. Perfect. Spectacular chuffing! Congratulations! You earned 2 golden cogs. Complete your cogwheel to upgrade your engine. A new challenger appears. Yong versus Emily. Ladies and gentlemen, prepare your engines. Welcome to the Daring Docks. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Go! Perfect start. Smashing. You've taken the lead! Final lap! Quick! Tap the special boost button! Smashing! Perfect! Magnificent race! Congratulations! You earned 2 golden cogs. Complete your cogwheel to upgrade your engine.